Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. What if I told you there was a genius and clever way to spice up your shower game, to change your showering experience from blah to aha? I know, I'm a little hyped up about this one right here, but I cannot wait to show you. I was recently not feeling the best. I felt a bit congested, so I went to the store and purchased some of these. I'll tell you what they are in just a second. If you can guess and beat me to the punch, let us know in that comments box below. And I thought, well, let me just give this a whirl and see if it actually works. So I went ahead and placed this little white tab there by the shower drain. By the way, do not put these in your bathtub. You probably will never want to shower without one of these again after I show you. You're gonna go ahead and turn on your shower per usual. I like it nice, toasty, and hot. Ooh, okay, that's been running for about 5 minutes. By the way, my sinuses are very clear just from that short period of time. Let's just go ahead and turn this water off. This will naturally dissolve on its own. You can see right there, we got a little tabaroonie. So what could this possibly be that you do not have to put on your body, but you have the most amazing, tranquil, spa-like experience when it comes to your shower? For those of you that guess these, vape shower, by the way, this is not sponsored, you are right. I fell in love with these. I had to share them with you, especially because I was dealing with the congestion from the winter months and being all cooped up here in the Midwest. Let us know if you've tried these in the comments box below, and if you liked them, give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some more amazing cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.